Hello everyone, this is Kuro Sage Gamer here with my playthrough of Indagar, I think is how it's pronounced, I'm not sure. But we're going to just jump into the game, see how everything works, if everything works like it's supposed to. Julia, your daughter is kidnapped in the apartment building La Hacienda. Come if you want to save her, but I warn you, if you show up with someone else or talk to the police, I'll kill her. See you at that place in an hour, I think is what that's said. Ugh. Oh yeah, and if my face cuts off, it's because I'm leaning closer to my mic like this, like it just closed off. And are the game breaks? Okay. Oh, there's sound, so there's gotta. Okay. There's a little bit of delay on because I've seen that pop up before I seen it, so there's a little bit of delay on my end. It's not actually desyncing. Oh my god, not yeah. It's got to be Unity. Got Unity or nothing. Well, at least I'm not coming out of this game. Time is on my side. Okay. I can't read that. Okay, 1 second. Oh, it's got a directional sound. I can't remember what that's called. Tip. All right. This place will eat you. Okay. Oh, I don't like that. I do not. Thank you. That's a flat ball. That's the flattest ball I've ever seen in my life. That's a... hey, man, do I need to help you? I think he's stuck. Okay, can't do anything with that. Can't do anything there. Dick. Oh, yeah, you are a dick. Alright. Three medals. Can't open this at all. Okay, that's still not open. Right, so I gotta go to door number 3. Open. I don't know, like, since I just got done playing the last game, which was Screaman. Don't know how you pronounce it. So I have ear rape issues. So I turn it down a lot, but it's still really loud on the doors for some reason. Sugar the rabbit. Okay, grab the rabbit. Grab the rabbit. Grab the rabbit. Alright, whatever. Why can I not have the rabbit? This is... No, thank you. I don't want what's down there. Did I miss something? Did I miss something? Whoops. Oh, thank God. We have somewhat of lights now. I don't like this. This is open hallways and doors like this. I don't like this at all. This is like I feel too fucking vulnerable. I don't like this. I just don't. I just do not. I do not like any of this. Okay. Here it comes. 1, 2, 3. Nothing? Well, that always happens, but I guess that didn't happen. Lag. Like, real hard. Okay. Let me in? No. You can eat a dick. It's in that door. Honey, I went to repair the hole in the wall. The guy from apartment 1, he hides the hole with a bookcase that falls so easily. That man is so weird. He stole 3 medals from a neighbor and kept them in his bedroom. Honey, I want to move. I'm sick of this place. It's full of crazy people. Why only people like that can live in this building? So maybe you're crazy. Maybe you don't actually have a wife and you are talking to a ghost. Maybe. Door number 6. The building is alive. Well, now that's just crazy. Why would you think that? You have to be mental if you think the building's alive. That's impossible. Give me the stick, the metal pipe. I want it. I don't know why I'm talking like this. Yeah, thank you very much. Can you shut up? I just want this DVD right here. I just want the new copy of Iron Man 47. I don't know. Okay, would you shut up? Where's the wire? Oh, great. This one doesn't have one. Just ear raping again. Wow, that was a voice crack. Wow, nice. Okay, I'm sorry if you're getting motion sickness from this. If any of you are, because I'm getting motion sickness from this, and that's because for some reason every programmer in Unity has to have this floaty ass camera system. Like no one's fixed that. I came for a few hours, but your wife was not at home, so I entered by force. I took your medal. I will not return them until you pay me my money. Okay, Samuel, I'm tired of your offensive and humiliation. Offenses and humiliation. I love you and I always will, but I can't be with you anymore. I know these medals make you feel horrible, but I don't understand why you got so upset when I put them in the medals holder. You were a 4th place, you were a 2nd place, you were a 3rd place. Never the 1st. You were never the best at something. You were not even a good husband. Oh, damn! Sick burn! My wife left me in the morning and my tennis career is over. My neighbor has taken my medal, but it does not matter. This 2nd, 3rd, and 4th place medals just remind me how mediocre and useless I am. Nah, I'm sure that nobody's better than me. I'm the most talented. I'm the best. No, you're not. You're literally everyone else is better than you. Are we done with this little charade here? Am I gonna come out and get raped? No. I don't know why I make so many rape jokes. Rape's not funny, but rape, yeah. I wish I could break that TV. Wait a minute. Metal holder. Let me put him in the metal holder. Oh, wait. You were 4th. You were 2nd. You were 3rd. Okay, so 4th, 2nd, 3rd. So 4th place medal. You were 2nd. Motherfucker. No. Thank you, dickhead. 4th, 2nd, 3rd. No. No, not the amnesia. Please, I just got done with that game. Can we not? Okay, this is really gross. Can we not? Oh, something's about to happen to me, isn't it? Oh, you weren't kidding about the building being alive, were you? didn't know you got a 4th place medal trophy, by the way. I didn't know that was a thing. I didn't know that existed. I honestly did not. Well, that's not opening. Okay, please, would you... Shut up. Ah! Ah! I screamed like a bitch. Oh god, I'm so rare. Wake up, it'll come back. If it wants to torture you, you have to hurry. You only have a few moments before it returns. Find a silver amulet before time runs out. When you find it, that thing will not come for you anymore. Okay. 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 Okay! Pressing buttons. Who are you? The voice seems familiar. Are you my daughter? There's no time for that. Find the silver amulet before time runs out. It has to be in one of the apartments. Something tells me I know where it is. 1, 2, 3, go! Jack, be quick. Jack, be nimble. Jack, I can't remember the rest of this. Please don't hurt me. 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 Don't hurt Daddy. Don't hurt Daddy. Don't hurt. Please don't. 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 Don't. No. Don't. Stop. Stop. Stop, you bitch. Stop. 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 I have 2 minutes. I have 2 minutes. I have 2 minutes. I have 2 minutes. I have less than a minute. Okay, please stop. Please stop. I'm begging you. I'm begging for the love of God. Please stop. I can't handle that. You may see my voice is just like, nah. Or you might see my face, should I say. But, no. I like to internally, explode. Alright, come on. Enough of this shit, please. Daddy, don't hurt Mommy. Daddy, don't hurt Mommy. Why am I Mommy? Move, bitch. Get out the way. Okay, man legs are not in the toilet anymore. That's not a good thing. That means Mannequin Man's after me again, isn't he? Okay, please stop. Okay, there's nothing in here. I don't know why I came back in here. I have less than a minute. Please give me. 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 Okay, please. I know. I'm screwed. You want to see how high I can scream? 'Cause you're about to. Oh, here it comes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I kind of figured he was just gonna beat me with inches of my life. Please let me not. Can we not? 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 Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Can we not? All right, come on. Well, I tried. All right. Why is nothing happening? Why is nothing happening? Why is nothing happening? No! Shh! You had to catch me in my blind spot, didn't you, dude? Ah. So, my throat. Okay. Alright, so, okay, enough. I wasn't playing around the first time, but, let's be really, really focused on what we're doing here. And I'm so close. I'm trying. Okay. Okay. Alright. Okay, I know for a fact he won't come unless there's a minute, checked all the bottom ones, not there, so it must be on the top. It's not in these. The music just, Damn. I don't know where it is. I can't find it. They said in one of the rooms. I've looked in every fucking room. Mr. Whiny Man in there will not let me in, so... Nope. Fuck. Oh, come on. Fuck me. Sideways. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Here it comes. My voice is completely gone. Okay, why? Why is my voice gone? Okay. I haven't done anything. I haven't even screamed. Well, no, I've screamed that loud. Never mind. Well, I don't know then. If it's not one of these, and I don't know where it is, I don't know where it is. Oh, here he comes. Here we go. Here we go. Chainsaw Massacre. Here we go. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, buddy!